believe that we can cure illness, better mankind by torturing animals. We can't. It's time for everyone to wake up. These animals deserve life. People deserve treatment that helps them, not pharmaceutical companies. The time for torturing animals is over. The time for animal liberation, animal rights is now. Science must move on. Humanity must move on. And in doing so, we must leave the dark days of animal abuse behind. There can be no more vivisection, no more animal sacrifice in the name of science. It's outdated, it's wrong, and it has no place in a civilised world.
It's a tragedy in this country by direct action, by breaking places, by causing damage to them, by doing what they didn't want us to do. We've brought the number of animals down. There's a direct correlation, and you can see the birth of the Animal Liberation Front. They thought they had the better of us, and animal experiments have gone up, so we've got to go back to doing direct action. What we've got to do is got to make sure that this comes with rusty old gate, and with rusty old padlocks on it, and it will happen.